In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Sheets in Excel. If you've ever built something in Google Sheets and needed to send it to someone who only uses Excel, there's a quick official way to convert it without copying and pasting a thing. It takes just a couple of seconds and preserves the work you've already done. With your Google Sheet open, head to the File menu in the top left corner. From there, hover over Download. A small list will appear, and you'll choose Microsoft Excel. The moment you click it, your browser will start downloading the file to your computer. You'll see it arrive as an .xlsx file, and in some cases, you might see a .csv download option as well. Both are standard formats that Excel can open. The .xlsx format is usually best because it keeps your formatting and formulas intact, while .csv is a simple text-based format that's great for raw data. Here's the best part. Most of your formulas carry over seamlessly. Common functions like SUEM, average, and VLOOKUP are recognized instantly by Excel, so totals, lookups, and calculations you depend on will continue to work as soon as you open the file. In other words, the logic you built in Sheets doesn't get lost in translation. When you open the downloaded file in Excel, your spreadsheet should feel familiar, with the same results you saw online. A quick heads up though, some Google-specific features don't have a one-to-one match in Excel. For example, if you've used People Smart Chips or other Google-only elements, they might look different or behave slightly differently after the download. That's normal, and it doesn't mean your data is gone. It just means those unique features are displayed in a more basic way in Excel. Because of that, it's a good idea to take a minute to review the converted file before sharing it. Scroll through your tabs, glance at key formulas, and confirm that things like number formats, dates, and conditional formatting look the way you expect. If something appears off, a quick tweak inside Excel usually fixes it, and that's really all there is to it. You go to File, hover over Download, pick Microsoft Excel, and your spreadsheet is ready to open in Excel. Now you can work in Sheets and share in Excel without the headache. Hit that follow button for more Google Sheets tips.